Ronaldo and Messi faced off in a watermelon car racing showdown. Messi's La Pulga Rocket sped past Ronaldo's CR7 Speedster to win. The two football legends shared a laugh and smile. Their friendly rivalry was strengthened by the fun competition. The crowd cheered as Messi celebrated his victory. Ronaldo congratulated Messi, saying, "You're truly the GOAT." Ronaldo vowed to return stronger in the next race. Messi grinned, already looking forward to